We explain storytelling in HR. HR is the one department that should not overlook the benefits of storytelling. Why? Because it is crucial that HR communicates well with the workforce, and storytelling is an effective communication tool. How can HR use storytelling to communicate, engage with and motivate the workforce? Use storytelling to communicate to staff what the company stands for and in what direction all on board are moving in. Introduce staff to new practices or new ideas relevant to their positions and roles within the company. Convey abstract information or complex information into something more meaningful and understandable to all employees, while making the content altogether a bit more stimulating. Use storytelling to translate complex figures and data-driven analytics into simple terms, for all to understand and appreciate. Unite employees through company stories that communicate the company history, growth and accomplishments. Share intricate details of your brand with employees to keep them in the loop at all times. Make use of storytelling in training to ensure that staff are properly trained and fully on board. And so, storytelling can be used by HR to connect optimally with employees. Moreover, it will unite the workforce in a profound way.